Everybody, have a look at this. It's is it 63 or 4? 64 FB. I'm sure it's a Deluxe, but lad says it's got a Deluxe badge on back, but it says somebody said it's a Super, but I don't think, because it's slightly different on dash, and it's got a bench seat, but she's 4 on floor, so I still think it's a 1508. I'll let you just have a quick look round, then I'll take camera off. But we've got a Deluxe badge on back. It's local lad to me. Yeah, I thought I heard it pull up, so I thought we'll have a look. It's got later hubcaps on and all. I thought you might want to look at it. A bit better view. You can see with hubcaps are slightly different. It's got correct mirrors on. It's all good. Its seals are quite good, and I'll pull bonnet, show you in the bonnet. It's just a gas. But he's managed to pick his another bench seat. Let's grab camera, go round right. Nice to show me when they come down. It'll be a 1508. But it's Zenith carbon. It's got slightly different washer on that. I have seen them on them. It looks very good on its inner wings. He's had a bit of issue. He's got a few issues on bottom and his wings flapping here, but he's going to have a go at it. Well, you can see that later trims, they've got right embellishers on. And obviously being later car, it's got side light here. Well, it is 4 on the floor. It's a 4-speed, and it's got a lovely radio console in. Look there, and slightly different dash to one I had. It's mine had ignition over here. Well, he's got his carpet side. He's going to do a few bits and pieces. The doors are nice. Somebody's done some work around it. You can see it is, but it's not far off original colour. It won't surprise me if roofing's original. But I thought you might want to look. Not very often stuff like this drops on me, so just a quick video for you anyway. A bit of a stocking filler. So it's definitely a Deluxe with this cowl, because other one had it here, a Super. You've got Deluxe badge on. Somebody's obviously had it reverse lights. I don't think they might be. Well, the standard, you tell me. I don't think there was. But I'll load it up today anyway, so just something else for you to have a peep at. It's good to see him. And I'm glad I could help him out with a bit of stuff he's looking for. It all helps, because you know they're hard bits getting harder and harder to come by. So give a like video, everybody, anyway, and obviously subscribe to the channel, because this is how it is. Stuff just appears, comes, so we do something with it when it comes and put it on for you. So 1964 FB Victor, 4 on the floor. It rung me about polarising his dynamo because he's got no charge, but we've got him that resolved, showed him what to do with that. So like I say, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you all tomorrow. Cheers.